Want to set up a QR code for your virtual event using Uniqode? Stick around, because I'll not only show you exactly how to do it quickly, but also reveal some better alternatives that might save you time and hassle. Plus, there's an exclusive extended free trial at the end, so don't miss that. First, let's jump straight in. Uniqode, formerly known as Beacons Tech, is a QR code generator that lets you create trackable QR codes for different use cases, including virtual events. It's a solid tool, but is it the best option? Let's find out. To create your QR code for a virtual event in Uniqode, log in to your dashboard. Click Create QR Code, select website URL, and enter your event link, whether it's Zoom, Google Meet, or a webinar landing page. Next thing, customize it. Uniqode lets you tweak the design, change colors, add a logo, or adjust the frame to match your branding. This is useful, but be careful. Too many design tweaks can affect scannability. Another thing to note, Uniqode offers dynamic QR codes, meaning you can change the event link later without updating the printed or shared QR code. This is great for last-minute changes, but it's behind a paywall. If you're on a free plan, you're stuck with static QR codes that can't be updated. The fourth thing is analytics. Uniqode tracks scans, locations, and devices used. This is helpful for marketing insights, but advanced tracking is only available in higher-tier plans. If you're just hosting a simple virtual event, you might not need all this data or the extra cost. Here's a key issue: pricing. Uniqode is feature-rich, but expensive for what it does. If you just need a basic QR code for a virtual event, there are more cost-effective options that offer similar or even better customization and tracking. So, what's better? We've tested multiple QR code generators, and we found some options that offer longer free trials, better analytics, and more flexibility, especially for event organizers. The best part? Our link gives you exclusive access to extended free trials and premium features at no extra cost. Check it out in the description and find the best fit for your event.